Everyone, my name is Mukesh and welcome to Code Tunnel. In this video, we are going to see why you need to learn Python as your primary programming language. Primary means the language which you use most often for doing anything software, any kind of software, whether you are doing front end, whether you are doing back end, whether you are doing machine learning, whether you are doing your college projects, whatever. Use Python some way, somewhere. So why so? Because there are hundreds of language we are taught in our first year. We learn something new. Second year we learn. Third year, fourth year. Every semester we have some new programming language. It's MATLAB, C, C++, Java, different things. Things were very different 5, 6 years back. But the current scenario in the market has changed so rapidly that if you know Python, first of all, it let me explain you what actually happens in any company. What's the demand for it? Plus, why this language will help you become a very versatile developer, engineer, which you can do you can do anything that's required in the industry. Whether you want to develop a website, a desktop application, whether you want to make a full stack application, with Django, whether you want to just do a fast API and make just the backend services, whether you want to learn or you want some data analytics with NumPy, Matplotlib, Pandas, or you are in business intelligence, making the charts, reading the data, writing big queries, Python for processing and showing it in a presentable format, or you are learning machine learning, you want to machine learning with scikit-learn, mat tensorflow. All this can be done, all the things that you hear software engineer does, or whether you are going to be a DevOps engineer where you will be automating a lot of things. There also you can use Python for everyday needs. Instead of writing shell script, you can write Python script. As the Python has the best set of libraries for any magic that you want to do, any magic in your application. Any company, if you see the market, any company, any startup, MNC, any company you know, they will definitely have. Talk about if they are not an AI company. Imagine they are not an AI company. Any company will definitely have a business intelligence analytics team where they will have bunch of Python guys. Python guys will be reading to the tables, making chart drafts, presenting and writing the pandas, numpy queries. These things are very like every company will have at least 5, 6 members. And with the increasing competition in the market every now and then, every company wants to take the best decision they can. Comes to sales, marketing, the impact of marketing on their like take a company like you see HUL, not take these big companies. Let's focus on small companies. Imagine you are in a D2C company, which has launched an ad for increasing revenues. How will they get to know the revenue has increased? We'll need a lot of data. We'll need to understand, yes, this is because of the ads the revenue having. They will tell these analytics guys to run different kind of queries. They will have different kind of setups, but they will be using Python. They will be using Python to run different queries and process the data and show it to the business side, the business people, and they can yes see the impact of their campaigns, ad campaigns on their and they can better target the audience, better uh, make the ads or, or adjust the budgets accordingly. If the revenue didn't increase the um, because of that, they will take different decisions, increase the revenue. These kind of things generally happen, and these things are generally done by Python team, the analytics team. Uh, so every company needs Python, guys. To very and in the coming future, every company will try to integrate AI one way or the other. Imagine a company, everyone, it's a craze. Everyone wants to join the race. He wants to raise funding from the investors, saying that they are an AI company. Even they are doing some, they're selling milk. They will say, we are refined milk with AI. Want to say something like that. We'll make some basic MBP with some models which can detect the milk is pure or not, and predict the milk is when it's going to uh, get rotten or damaged. And they can pitch the investors and get good funding. So the demand for what I'm trying to say is the demand for Python guys has increased significantly. Plus the versatility of the language. The language is very versatile. Language is very can be used in different situations. Want to become a full stack developer in coming future? Python is can be the best choice for you. Want to be an ML guy, analytics guy? Python best choice for you. You just want to do DSA, just want to do a DSA and go in a big company. Python is a good choice for you because it gives you a lot of functions. Your coding so smooth. What you do in 100 lines in different languages, you can do in 5 lines in Python. That's the reason why Python is loved so much, and why you need to learn Python. Okay, going to start a DSA, and later on, which is going to get converted into system design, DevOps, and machine learning. That's going to be a future. But the current thing, I'm going to start a DSA course and eventually transition into broader departments like full stack development in Python, full stack like DevOps, the entire thing in DevOps. Instead of using other language, we're using Python for automating a lot of things. So, you in the course, I'm going to start it. We need a lot of support from you guys. And you definitely check out my community WhatsApp group that I've created where we'll be catering to the needs of the students. What they have any doubt, they have any questions, want to learn, they need any other kind of assistance, they can definitely ping in that group. I will be happy to help them. You guys